Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide likes on an Instagram Reel. So if you want to hide likes on an Instagram Reel, there isn't any option to do so in the Instagram app. So you're going to have to go to a browser and then go to Instagram. Once you get to Instagram, you're going to have to request the desktop site on Instagram. So for Chrome, you're going to click on the three dots in the bottom right corner. But for Safari, you're going to want to click on the two A's in the top right corner, I think. Just look around for a couple A's and then click on that. Now, once you click on it, there should be an option if you scroll down to request desktop site. Once you find it, click on it, and it should reload Instagram to the desktop site. If you go back to the option, it should say request mobile site. So once you get here, click on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. And once you go to your profile page, go to the reels that you want to hide the likes on. And once you find the one that you want to hide the likes on, you're going to have to click on the three dots in the top right corner. The UI will be a little bit buggy, but there should be an option to hide like count once you get here, as you can see when I click on the three dots right now. So that's how you do it. If you want to unhide the likes, then just click on the three dots again and click unhide like count. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I will see you guys next time.